Oh, in fact, let me ask you this question. What happened to the temple? They were building a temple, no, to show India, oh, we are open religion. Did you check what happened with the construction of the temple? It's like a music rock video. Temple. Nothing. Why? Because the funds that were being used for the temple were somehow not legal funds. And then when you got slapped by anti-laundering and laundry and all that, you have to stop all the illegal funds coming in to make it legal. I don't know. Check what happened to the temple. Check. Is a temple there? Which Bhagwan is featured in that temple? Only Allah. No Shiv, no Durga, no cow god, rat god, snake god. Nothing. Only Allah. People fall for bullshit. Like B.R. Shetty. Baba Zaid, bless me. Allah bless me. Allah. I will bleed for you. Bleed. In other words, he was saying. In other words, B.R. Shetty was saying, only Allah bless me. When I bend over, takes it from behind. That's a doink. The bleeding he was talking about is like periods, I bleed for you. Bleed. Just Google search on YouTube. His the speeches B.R. Shetty used to give. I will bleed for you. The blood, the sweat. Yeah, when you have hard sex and someone puts a big oversized dick up your ass, of course bleeding will happen. Sweat will come out. The sweat. I believe, if, B.R. Shetty's speeches were so nice. If on a day I don't have challenge, that's not a good day. So, Allah, listen, he likes challenge. Let me give him a nice challenge. I'll fuck him up with this challenge. Give him a very big challenge. Now he has got the biggest challenge of his life. So now his day must be going so good. Because every day, it's a challenge. They come out with all these cock and bull fucking stories, man. This theory about success. Like this fucking idiots who, for example, pre-COVID days, you would get Jack Ma. He'll speak. All these guys dressed up in suit and tie and three-piece and all that. They want to network. Jack Ma will give the secrets to success. They'll pay $2,000 premium ticket. They'll come there. Everyone look suit and everyone's dressed up everyone's dressed up fine and all that. And Jack Ma will sit there. The secret to success. Number one, have a vision. You should have a vision. 20 years ago, I had a vision. Number two, dare to dream the impossible. Number three, have a team. Number four, hard work. And number five, don't stop till you achieve. And everyone's sitting, vision, hard work, teamwork. Wow, I've got the secret to success. Fuck, I paid $2,000 for this. Jack Ma. Same fucking advice you can get copy paste on the fucking internet. Fucking shit. Now what happened? What happened to your fucking vision? What happened? I'm not talking Jack Ma. Jack Ma made shitloads of money. What happened to your vision? How many people who listen to that talk, vision, teamwork, hard work, lavda work? You don't know what is lavda? Ask an Indian guy. He'll tell you what is lavda work. What happened to all this? Where is the vision? Where is the success? Just because one person, had the right variables, just because one person did, doesn't mean everyone will fucking do it, man. When the fuck you'll realize that? Sheikh Mohammed had a vision. Okay, first man to Mars. Right now, UAE is talking about man to Mars, chocolate Mars, Snickers. Instead, I would tell them, listen, why you're going Mars and Snickers? Go to this planet which suits you better. It's called Uranus. Uranus is one of the best places to be. It's a good destination. Put your Arab astronaut in your anus. Trust me, you'll get publicity like no one else's business. Then the Arab guy will say, what about Bluto? Bluto, yahi, Bluto is the Disney dog, Bluto. Okay, yahi, Bluto. You know Bluto? That is Bluto. So your anus, wallahi good. Your anus, best planet. I love your anus. Yeah, that would make fucking headlines. Sheikh sends man to your anus. They explore your anus like never before. Fuck, that would be great. You don't have fucking money to pay contractors. You don't have money to pay people. You don't have money to save the fucking account. You don't have money to pay the loans of 21 billion. But you have plans to send to Mars. If UAE had money, why would Sheikh Mohammed sell off Miras and give it back to Dubai Holdings? In fact, any update on what is that? That great vision, yeah. One was the Creek Tower, big one, which will be in the sky. No news of that. One was, the world islands that we are still waiting for. I think 20 years now, 15 years, yeah. World. Richard Branson planted the flag. In between, they had these vloggers who showed, oh wow, see this concept hotel. See, it's a great bathtub and the bathroom, and there's a Lamborghini in the toilet, and there's a Harley where they make caca, and there is a fucking diamond encrusted bed. Okay, all right. Where is that? It's only in one video. Where is the, I don't know, the tower with the fingerprint? What happened to that? No news. Floating hotels. Yeah. What happened to the floating hotels? In fact, I heard from some sources, the newspapers that talk shit about those hotels, now they are endorsing them. Why? Because they got paid money. And why would the newspaper do that? Because they don't have money. They need advertising money. As it is, you put fake fucking news. As it is, you can't talk the real news. So who wants to advertise on your fucking platform? Now they're again talking about 5-year visa, 10-year visa. You can't fucking give people who are there in the country visa and then you're issuing visa. In fact, they are coming out with this new fucking policy. What? You don't have to be in the country to get a visa. What kind of people, just think, what kind of people would pay money not to come in the country but to get a visa? Hardworking people? Would you pay money to get a visa of a country without having stayed there, without having visited there? So, if you would not do that, then what kind of people would do that? People who want just an entry point, no questions asked, dump the money. By the way, it's 10 million. Those of you who are talking, oh, Dubai is going to take care of its citizens, they are offering retirement visa. How much money, Baba? How much money? Nothing is for free.